So now let's see how we can work around with rulers inside of Microsoft Paint. So here you can see that I already have a Paint file opened up. And if I were to go on to view, then you can see that I can enable rulers. And once I enable rulers, you can see that there's the ruler right here and you see the pixels. So right now this is around 700 something pixels by around 500 something pixel. So if I were to go around, let's say for example, and then go on to resize, I can set the pixel according to what I like. So let's say for example, I want 900 by let's say 400 pixel and press OK. You can see that horizontally this is 900 pixel till here and it is 400 pixel till here. And as you move the mouse, you can see that there's red bars that follow across, which tells you where exactly you're going to draw. So let's say for example, you're going to go around and draw a square right around from 100 pixel. You can take the red area as a reference, click and drag it right here. Let's say you want to make a square right here. You can use the reference to make out the shapes just like this. And you can go around and then take these things as a reference if you were to use the ruler. And that is how you can utilize rulers inside of Microsoft Paint. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.